Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to guide you through how to activate Vanish mode on Instagram. If you'd like to send secret messages on Instagram to your friends or followers, but you want it to disappear right after you're done so that no one else will be able to pry through your conversations, then you can easily turn on the Vanish mode on Instagram so that the chats are automatically erased when the chat ends. To be able to do so, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Tap open your Instagram application. Make sure you're logged into your account. From your home page, tap on the chat bubble at the top right corner. Open an existing chat or use the new message button at the top in order to create a new chat. Once you end up in the conversation screen, to start the Vanish mode, swipe up from the bottom of the screen like this and release. The screen will now turn black. To indicate that you are in a Vanish mode, send your messages as usual. Type in a message into the text box and tap on send. When you want to end the Vanish mode and go back to messaging as usual, swipe up from the bottom of the screen again and release. Both you and the recipient will exit Vanish mode, but you'll still be able to see the messages you sent in the Vanish mode until you close the window. Remember that the Vanish mode works for only one-on-one conversation. It does not work in a group where more than 2 people are involved. If someone tries to take a screenshot in Vanish mode, the other person is notified immediately. That is how you can easily activate Vanish mode that lets you send secret messages which disappears after you are done chatting. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.